Our CES 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon. Help support our content by going to PLUGHITZLive.com/Amazon. Hey guys, Scott here with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. I am here at the Sands at CES 2018, and I'm currently surrounded by some smart home stuff. We'll find out about that in just a second, but first, go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
My name is Shiva Iyer, and I am the Associate Director for Connected Home at Carrier Corporation, which is part of UTC.
Okay, so this is your area.
This is my area, and I love it.
Fantastic. So what are you guys showing off at the show? Because this is, obviously it's a brand that is not new, but you've got some new stuff going on.
We do. So, Carrier is a brand that has been long established in the market.
Yeah.
We founded, we invented air conditioning.
Right.
And, over our last, more than 100 years, we have done a lot of, technical and technological improvements to enhance the life of our customers. What we have here is our newest offering, Core Home Automation, which basically brings together the elements of security, fire, safety, and HVAC into one connected offering that allows our consumers to have a more integrated home experience.
Fantastic. Now I'm looking at the wall behind us, and I see quite a range of products, from a smart lock to cameras and thermostats. Is all of this new, or is some of it established?
So this offering is built upon many years of expertise. The Core Home Automation system basically consists of a hub which integrates all these different elements, both through the hub and through an app, which gives customers remote access to their system and the ability to create automations and controls of all these different elements, like Z-Wave locks, wireless cameras, and sensors that are also wireless and can do many things in the home in an automated fashion. And our claim to fame here with this system is it's a home automation system that has the widest range, that if a customer so chooses, they have no recurring monthly fee for it.
So that gives you the ability to self-monitor that way.
Absolutely. Self-monitor to a very high degree of sophistication without having to pay a single penny in a monthly fee.
And it looks like normally self-monitored solutions are things you have to install yourself. Is this the kind of thing that you go to Home Depot and buy, or is this like professional installation hardware?
So this is a professionally installed system. The system has the sophistication that we feel is best served by a trained installer, and we have a network of trained installers who also, by the way, install HVAC systems and do this as an add-on, as a service for their customers. But when the customer buys this system and gets it installed, they own the system. Right.
You're not leasing it from whoever it is that installed it, or whoever it is that monitors it. It's yours, and you don't have to worry about anything future.
That's right. And you can add on to the system, over time.
I like that it's a professionally installed thing, because when you do it yourself, there's always the possibility that you do it wrong, it's not set up right, and the last thing you want is like a window sensor, because to be installed wrong and then not go off when something goes wrong.
That's right. Exactly. And some of these potentially have safety and security implications. And so you kind of want to make sure that somebody who's been trained in the process is the one who's handling it for you.
For sure. So How much does a system like this run? Obviously, without installation, because that's its own thing.
Yeah, so we have a starter kit that can be installed by an installer, and it should cost homeowner less than $1,000
Okay.
for the whole install offering.
Okay.
And it gives them a lot of power in their app and in their hands, and a really unparalleled ability to have increased awareness of their home.
Now, I know that a lot of systems in this space offer scenes, right? Like
Yes.
an environment, something happens, and then it triggers things that happen behind it. Do we support that on this as well?
Oh, absolutely. We support automations or scenes to a very high degree of sophistication. In fact, we have come out with a do button that you can actually link scenes to a button. I'll just show you a little demonstration
Yeah, for
of this is like a coming home button.
Okay.
And if I press this, you can see what happens out there. You have a garage door that opens. This is a wireless button powered by a battery you can have in your car. As you approach your home, you can press it, and then it starts turning on the lights. It opens a garage door for you, and it does a lot of really cool things that really make it much more convenient.
Yeah, sure.
And I would argue in a sense safer for the customer.
Yeah, because your garage door is already open. It's opening when you get there. You don't have to sit out in the driveway and wait for it to open.
That's right.
Yeah.
And and your lights are on, and it's like your home is welcoming you when you come back home.
I really like that. And is all of this available today? Is it coming soon? What can we expect on that?
So most of what you see here is available today, except for the doorbell camera, which is coming soon.
Okay.
But we have we can accommodate up to 16 cameras in our system.
Wow.
Much more than
array.
is needed for any home today,
Sure.
or for most homes, not any
Most
home.
homes.
But we're excited about the doorbell camera.
Yeah. It's a popular market right now.
It is really cool.
Well, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to me today.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. For continuing CES 2018 coverage, stay tuned to PLUGHITZlive.com/CES.